Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying very good health and you are safe and sound too. So welcome. This is the first time I am uploading the video over here. So I thought that let's upload a video on my YouTube channel so that I would be sharing only the link and you will be getting it and it would be very convenient for you. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. So today I'm talking to grade 3 in my school. So I'm talking to grade 3. In today's video, we are going to do our English A work. It's Wednesday, so let's start. So, what do we have to do today? Today we will be doing unit number 17. Let me use this pointer for you. Today we are going to do unit number 17, Word English Student Book, Oxford English Student Book. So everyone, please open your Oxford English Student Book and we will be doing unit number 17. Our today's diary means what we are going to do in this video that you will be, picking up to take the lecture. So unit number 17, page number 167 and 168 is your today's task that we will achieve at the end of this video. So let's start. Our topic is my journey with Captain Magellan. So this is our topic of the chapter, that is 17, and our topic is my journey with Captain Magellan. So let's move onwards. Let's get into it. So I hope you will like this template. I found it and I like it. And I know it's a bit girly, but you will like it. I hope you'll like my presentation. So get ready. Okay, so before we go ahead and solve the exercises and answer the questions that are given in the book, let's understand and let's do a light discussion about exploration. I'll just repeat in Urdu as well so that you guys will understand what I'm talking about, those who can't understand English well. So let's do. So everyone, our first question is, why do we explore? Okay, सबसे पहले हमारा जो चैप्टर है वो एक्सप्लोरेशन के रिलेटेड है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस लिटिल बिट अबाउट एक्सप्लोरेशन कि एक्सप्लोरेशन क्या होती है. ओके. So why do we explore? First of all, first question should be that, what is exploration? Exploration क्या होती है? Exploration is about when you go to a new place and you explore things, you visit to the places where you have never been before and you love to explore, you love to go to other countries, you love to go to other places, historical places can be there, and some enjoyable, some new places that are just opened yet, and you go and you just see what has happened in our country. Wow, you just go and visit there. आप क्या करते हो? सबसे पहले you go to the places, आप new places में जाते हो. Sometimes you go to the historical places, आप कभी कभी historical places में जाते हो to explore, to visit, to observe the places. And sometimes you are very fond of exploration and you can't just sit idle at your home and just because you feel bored at your home. क्योंकि आप बोर फील करते हो, दैट्स वाई यू गो अराउंड, यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर, यू वांट टू गो टू each and every country in the world, but practically some people can and some people can't. So this is what exploration is. So why do we explore? हम explore क्यों करते हैं everyone? हम explore इसलिए करते हैं because we want to go to new places जो हम कभी नहीं गए, जो हम just अपने इंटरनेट पर, सोशल मीडिया पर हम प्लेसेस देखते हैं. वन डे वी ऑल वांट टू एक्सप्लोर दैम, ऑल ऑफ द प्लेसेस वेयर वी वांट टू गो. फॉर एग्जांपल, सम पीपल वांट टू गो टू United States of America, some people want to go to Paris and visit the tower. So this is the same thing. Eiffel Tower you really love. Sometimes you go to the Sydney and go to the coasty area. Sometimes you want to visit to the hilly areas, sometimes mountains, sometimes seashores. So you want to visit different places in different times. For example, in summers में हम क्या चीज़ explore करना चाहते हैं? We go to the places that are colder enough to visit to match the temperature that is very high in your place where you're living, and you want to move to the other places. For example, you want to just freshen your mind and you want to spend few days over there where the weather is a little cold. For example, people usually visit Murray in summers. Sometimes when you live in United Kingdom, जब आप UK में रहते हैं and it's very very cold, normal to extremely high cold, and you want to go to the warmer places like Pakistan, Hawaii, and you want to visit seashores, like you can visit Karachi for seashore, and you want to visit all these places for certain reasons. Sometimes you do educational tours as well. आप educational tours भी करते हैं. So you go to all these places because we all love it. No one hates to explore. कोई भी एक्सप्लोरेशन को मना नहीं करता कि मुझे इस प्लेस पर नहीं जाना, नहीं मैं घर में ही बैठी रहूँगी. No one do that. So why do explorers do visit? Why do explorers do visit? क्यों visit करते हैं everyone? Because we have discussed so long कि इसलिए visit करते हैं because they like to visit and they want to explore and discover new things. This is how Christopher Columbus discovered America. If he wasn't an explorer, how would have been he just discovered America? वो America कैसे discover करता अगर वो explorer ना होता? So they all were explorers who explored and discovered new islands. नए islands उन्होंने discover किए. How do explorers explore ocean or sea? Okay, everyone, you just can't go to the places and you just saying I'm just going right away and visit to the places. For example, you are going in your normal clothes and you have nothing in your suitcase and you are just going to visit ocean or space. No, it's not the case. ऐसे कभी नहीं होता कि आप बस यूं जाओ और बस आप क्या करो कि आई एम रेडी एंड आई एम गोइंग, मैं ओशन को एक्सप्लोर करने जा रहा हूँ. नो, ऐसे कभी नहीं होता. You always prepare before you go for a visit. You always prepare before you go to explore new islands, new things, new places. So you can't just go and you can't just bump into the events and you go and you say like I'm going to explore oceans. No. For oceans you have to be mentally prepared and you have to take the training how you can travel, how you can travel on the ship, and how you travel when you are running out of water, clean water, and you are running out of food. When some places you go so far and you're sometimes in older places these were the problems that they faced. They never had enough food, they never had enough boats when they face storms and they want to swim on their own to save their lives. They never had enough things. That is why Titanic sank. When Titanic sank, what happened, everyone? जब Titanic डूब गया था, क्या हुआ था? Why did people die? Because they were running short of things. They were running short of boats. That's why most of the people just drowned into that. डूब गए थे वो सारे, इसलिए वो डूबे थे because they never had enough equipment within them. So but now we have very good ships that are very luxurious, and you can take all of the things that you need and you can explore. But some people want to explore under the ocean. आप समुंदर के अंदर, under the sea, how you explore, you need to wear all your equipment, you need to wear your special suit, you need to take the oxygen and you have to take the pump as well, and then you can go and you need to wear the fishy shoes that that are just like tails, look like tails. I don't know what do we call them. So you need to prepare for that. For example, space में आप ऐसे नहीं जा सकते. You need to wear proper equipment, space equipment. In space there is no oxygen, so you need to take the oxygen with you, and you can't go on normal plane. You have to go to some special rocket or some special plane that is made for space. Then you can go and visit the space. And trust me, the astronauts are the people who are not found normally. They are very rare people. Their job is very tough. You are putting your life in stake and you are going into the space where you don't know if by chance you get short of oxygen, you run out of oxygen, and sometimes you are not you're just running out of food, or sometimes any obstacle that happen in your way. कोई भी obstacle आ सकता है आपके way में, because you are traveling in space and space is not safe. So it's very risky, very, very risky. So what are our word bank? I hope मैंने आपको enough information दी है. Now let's discuss our word bank. What is our word bank? Vocabulary. Vocabulary we call word bank means when we have a lot of vocabulary that we are going to learn about. So this is our vocabulary. ये हमारी vocabulary है. Island. Everyone, what is an island? Island क्या होता है? Island is a small piece of area, small piece of land where you find water all around it. It's in the middle of the water. That's why we call it island. इसलिए ये island होता है. इसके इर्द गिर्द सारा water होता है. Windy means lot of wind means around you, lot of breeze, and there are breezing around you. तो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चले तो उसको windy बोलते हैं. Waterfall is when water fall from higher place to the lower place, so we call it waterfall. Clouds, normal clouds को I'm sure that you know what is cloud. Cloud क्या होता है? Simple बादलों को cloud बोलते हैं. Hail ओलों को बोलते हैं. So small flakes of ice, we call it hail. Coast. What is coast? Coast क्या होता है? Coast is basically the seashore. Seashore को coast बोलते हैं, where you can you can put your harbor on and you can stay there. That's the coast. Fog, धुंध को बोलते हैं when you can't see properly. So that's the fog. The air where you can't see properly, smoky air. So storm, what is storm? तूफान को बोलते हैं when there is storm. It can be snowstorm, it can be rainstorm. बारिश भी हो सकती है, बारिश का तूफान भी हो सकता है. Even the thunderstorm can be there. और बर्फ़ का तूफान भी हो सकता है. Lightning, what is lightning? Lightning क्या होती है? बिजली को कहते हैं जब बहुत ज़्यादा बिजली जो है वो आसमान में नजर आए. So that is called lightning. Lot of light plus current as well in the storms. Yeah, we call it this. हम यही कहेंगे, करंट ही कहेंगे बिजली को, और क्या है, करंट ही तो होता है. Okay, anyways, river जो दरिया को बोलते हैं, small part of the water. Not ocean are the biggest resources of water, but the river is smaller resource. Strait क्या होती है? Strait is a narrow channel, narrow part where the narrow part, after the narrow part, the two parts are connected together. Okay? एक छोटा सा रास्ता है, जो रास्ता जो है दो जो है वो streams को, rivers को जो है आपस में connect करता है. Sail, when you go out, when you go on ocean and sail your ship, जब आप ship sail करते हैं, means के ship चलाते हैं, उसको sailing बोलते हैं. Okay, so let's get into our book. This is our book, everyone. This is Oxford English book for grade 3. Grade 3 के लिए this is the book for them. So these were the basic words that we read in word bank. Island, windy, waterfall. This is the waterfall. So these are the pictures that will help you out to imagine these words in your mind. ये pictures आपको help करेंगे, आप ये words को अपने mind में इनकी एक picture बना लो कि how they look like. Okay, everyone? Island, windy, waterfall, clouds, hail, coast. This is the coast, seashore, fog. So you can see it's foggy. Storm, lightning. This is the lightning. River, this is the river. Okay? So, which word are about weather? Which word are about landforms? Talk about your choices with your partner. So right now, we don't have partner because I'm taking your online class. So we'll assume. So everyone, कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो कौन से words हैं इनमें से जो weather को address कर रहे हैं, कौन से जो landforms को address कर रहे हैं? Landforms mean pieces of land. So we'll write it over here. So आप अपनी book पे यहाँ लिखोगे. Weather में क्या आता है? Weather. Lightning is about weather. Lightning weather है. Weather है ना जब बहुत ज़्यादा बिजली हो तो we call it it's lightning in the weather. Storm is a weather. तूफान. Hailing comes under weather. Fog, foggy weather. Clouds comes under weather. So clouds, fog, hail, lightning and storm will come under your weather section. So you will write it over here. आप यहाँ लिखोगे. Landforms mean windy also. Windy will come over here as well. So landforms. So landforms are the patches of land that are the names of land somehow. So island, you'll write island because ये a piece of land and island. So you will write in landforms. Coast will come here. River, ज़मीन में है river, so it's not a weather, so it's a landform. River, island, coast also, and water. So these are your work. Okay, everyone? So let's move onwards. What do people explore in the world today? आजकल time to think, everyone. What do people explore in the world today? आज लोग world में क्या explore कर रहे हैं? What do they explore? What are they exploring? First thing, they're exploring other countries. Secondly, they're exploring historical places. Thirdly, they're exploring brand new places. For example, if Imran Khan, if somebody introduces a new bus or introduces a new train, for example, in the government of Imran Khan introduces something new, for example, some new place, some new highway, so you all go and visit there. For example, if there is a new housing society, you will go and visit there. So this is just an example that people want to explore some new things, some innovative things, some historical places, some other countries also, and yes, nature is very important. Some people are just fond of natural beauty, so they go to visit the natural beauty and enjoy it. Where do you like to explore? Personally, I like to explore the mountain areas also, and the seashores also, and yeah, beaches also. I like beaches also, beaches and mountain areas, and snowy. Yeah, I have never visited to Murray yet, but I want to explore snowy weather. I have never experienced snowy weather, so I want to visit there. So share your choice with me, okay? Where do you want to explore? Why exploration is important? Exploration important क्यों है? Exploration is important because sometimes you get fed up with your life. So you need to make your mind relax enough so that you can, focus on your life aim and goals. If you're getting fed up, you can get psychological effects as well. आपके mind में psychological effects भी आ सकते हैं. That's why you need to explore new places ताकि आपका mind fresh रहे. So do you remember taking a long trip to a place? Yes, I have visited to Karachi and I am proud of it. I visited twice there, so it was very good experience, going into the beach and enjoy there and all the other places also. So I loved visiting Karachi and the seashores. So I hope that was the long trip I remember because I went by train, so it took 24 hours maximum to reach there, and we stayed there in the middle as well. So it was a long trip in the summary. So share your trip as well in the comments below, okay? Point. Exploration gives us the sense that anything is possible. कोई भी चीज़ possible है, exploration हमें ये sense दे रही है. Exploration leads to knowledge and understanding and means that you make the world a better place as you explore. People have always tried to leave the world a better place for future generation. Exploration is one way we can do that. Okay, discovery is very important. अगर people didn't have the passion, if people didn't have the passion to explore and to discover new things, then we would have never discovered new things so far. हमने अभी तक कोई चीज़ें डिस्कवर ना की होती अगर हमें पैशन ना होता, हमें शौक ना होता, we weren't fond of it. So अभी तक हमने कोई भी न्यू प्लेसेस, न्यू कंट्रीज हमने एक्सप्लोर या डिस्कवर ना की होती, न्यू एनिमल्स ना डिस्कवर किए होते, न्यू ओशन मीन्स मरीन लाइफ ना डिस्कवर की होती, न्यू प्लेसेस डिस्कवर ना की होती अगर हम फॉन्ड ऑफ एक्सप्लोरेशन ना होते. सो always world is better place for generation. हमेशा world एक better place ही है generation के लिए, for future generation. So we are just making our generation visit new places and making themselves comfortable in the world. Next thing क्या है? This is the important points that what is this picture? This was the first airplane that was made by Wright brothers. So they wanted to fly for the first time. So this was the first plane that they made that actually worked. So let's see what all people had to say about it. The desire to fly is an idea handed down to us by our ancestors. And ancestors means हमारे आबाव अजदाद ने हमें क्या है उड़ने मीन्स फ्लाई करने का पैशन डिज़ायर ख्वाहिश हमें दी है ancestors से हमें मिली है. So ancestors gave us the idea, gave us the passion to fly, said Orville Wright. Wright brothers made the first airplane, so that's why they shared their thoughts why they wanted to, fly. वो उड़ना क्यों चाहते थे? Seeing here at the controls of the first successful powered flight, his brother Wilbur runs along at the side as the airplane traveled 120 feet in 12 seconds on December 17, 1903 at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Credit goes to Library of Congress. So everyone, जो Wright brothers ने first successful flight उन्होंने इसके ऊपर की थी. So this was the first source to their first flight. So that's why they were. After that, we discovered airplane, we discovered rockets, we invented all of them. We invented even fighter jets and we invented airplanes and helicopters also. Cooper, we call them. Cooper कहते हैं helicopters को. So we invented that after that. सबसे पहला जो था ना, पहला बारिश का कतरा, somebody break the ice. So Wright brothers broke the ice by inventing this, and then people started working on that, and they created basically the passion to fly. Or from where they got the passion to fly? They got the passion to fly from their ancestors. Okay, curiosity. Why do we explore? This is the written, this is the idea. These few points that I wanted to share with you. These are written by me. Curiosity. First thing, curiosity. आप में तजस्सुस होता है कि to explore new things. The first reason people went exploring was curiosity. Curiosity की वजह से वो explore करना उन्होंने शुरू किया. For example, किसी ने बताया कि Hawaii is the very good place. वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा good nature beauty hai, so one should go and visit that place, and you get the curiosity, wow, I wanted to visit that. No, I wanted to visit it now, and you just go and visit it. So this was the passion. So curiosity, the first reason people went exploring was curiosity. Fame, author, reason, another reason people went exploring was fame. एक और reason exploration की थी कि fame get करने के लिए religion. People also went exploring to spread their religions. अपना religion spread करने के लिए भी people exploration पर जाते थे, explore करते थे. New trades routes, नए trade, we need to export and import things. So नए रास्ते बनाने के लिए we used to explore. Wealth कमाने के लिए. National pride, yes, कि हमने ये चीज़ explore की है. For example, somebody has gone to the moon. So national pride के wow, Americans has gone to the moon in the space. So उनके लिए एक proud की बात है. Foreign goods, of course, चीज़ें explore करने के लिए. Always explore and discover everyone. So I am ending my lecture over here. मैं अपना lecture यहाँ पर end करने लगी हूँ because we have done 2 pages. हमने 2 pages कर लिए. So in the next video we'll continue from here. हम यहीं से continue करेंगे. I'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you got something, if you got some knowledge or if you enjoyed it. So press the bell icon also. Hit subscribe my channel as well and share my channel. And always, and the questions I've asked you in this video, you can tell me in the comments below. Allah Hafiz, bye.